Hi, folks, and welcome to Math 125. My name is Rod Price, and I'm going to be your instructor for the semester. First of all, let me apologize for I don't have my microphone on me. I came in to make this video for you this morning. I don't have my mic, and I think the sound quality is probably not going to be the greatest. But for the first video, just to get you running on the class, I'm sure we'll get by. So let me show you a little bit about the course. So the first thing you need to do is get into the Moodle site for the class. Give you an idea of what this looks like. All right, and you should see, whoops, that's not you. You don't want it in the physics class. You want it in college algebra. Okay, and you should see something like this. Now this class has 5 units to it. And right now I have units 2 through 5 off. You can only see unit 1. Let me hit the highlights here of what's really important for you folks. All right, Teams. You're going to want to download this. This is going to be an online platform for us to have discussions. If you want to meet with me over office hours, that's how we're going to do it. It works pretty well. So definitely get that up and running. It's free. It won't cost you anything since you're a student at the college. This thing right here, all right, Math 125 videos by Anna Cox here. So Anna Cox is one of our math instructors. She has a 100% complete video library for Math 125 in this textbook. Here they are. Just click there and they'll go there. Every section with multiple videos per section. So I strongly encourage you to use that as your first line of defense, if you will, for learning this material. Now, in addition to that, here's the units below. Unit 1, Equations and Inequalities. Every unit will have a set of videos under it as well. These are videos that I made. And you'll notice I don't have videos on 1.1 through 1.3. Anna has plenty of those. I started mine at section 1.4. But here's homework, including help with homework problems. And I'll be making more as time goes on. And you see I've got about 4 or 5 videos for 1.4. Bunch more for 1.5, 1.6, and so forth. So that's going to be the primary way in which you get your material for the class, either through Anna's videos or my own. And I just encourage you to try both and go with whichever set you think seems to do you the most good. All right. Your homework and exams and quizzes are going to be done at webassign.net or webassign.com. I'll take you there in a minute. These are where you're going to upload your work. So when you're done with your Unit 1 homework, I'm going to have you use a product or an app called Cam Scanner. Take pictures of all your work and upload it here. Now the work is graded on at the Pearson site, but again at my math lab. But I want to have a record of your homework your work that goes with your homework. Same thing with your unit tests. When you're done taking the test, you'll have a grade in hand, but I want you to take pictures and upload all of your work that goes with that test. Syllabus, you can click here and download it. Just let me know if you have any questions. Here's a rough course schedule, but again, the everything is mapped out on the My Math Lab site pretty well. Here's some graph paper. This is just something you can download and print off and have around because you're gonna be doing lots of graphs in this class. So I made some quick, easy graph paper for you. My contact info here, my email, and new during COVID times, I give out my cell number. If you need me, please feel free to contact me via text or phone call. I'm happy to take your calls that way. So this is our Moodle site here. This is where you're going to come for all of your content. This is the site I'll use to send you emails. This is where I will post new videos as needed. So even though I've got a lot of videos, as I make more, I might make more examples of homework or whatnot. I will put them under, the appropriate Unit 1 videos, and then I'll typically send in an email notifying you that I've made more. I make videos at request, so if you're struggling with a particular set of homework or section or content, just send me a text and I'll make videos and upload them for you. Okay. Now the class itself is going to be on basically a 2-week cycle here. All right, we have a late start class. We have less time. We don't have the full 15 weeks, and I want to have a little time at the end to review for your final exam. So Unit 1, I've got in the schedule as being all due on the 14th. So what I did is, rather than kind of doing each individual deal, what I did is all the homework, all the quizzes, and everything are going to be due for Unit 1 on the 14th. And I'm going to strongly encourage you to schedule your time accordingly. Don't put it all off, right? Once the homework is due, the 14th, the Unit 1 exam will open, and I will typically give you 3 days to take it. So the exam will open up and be available on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, probably till Wednesday. So Sunday through Wednesday, I'll give you to the 17th to take that test. We'll see how that works, and if it doesn't, if we find that people need a little more time, I can be a little bit flexible on that. But kind of that's the idea. Unit 2, graphs, that's supposed to have an H in it. Unit 2 will open up right about the time Unit 1 is ending, and so forth. All right, let me show you what it looks like on the My Math Lab site. First of all, this right here, you're going to need this. This is going to be how you're going to find the class. All right, once you buy the book, you're going to have a code. You're going to need that code. Click here, and here, and that will get you in. I don't need to show you what mine looks like. Mine looks a lot, I think, more complex than your version will, so I'm not going to open that up. Once you have that code and that number that I have to find the class, you should be able to register here, get your homework going, and we should all be good. So that's the class in a nutshell. Again, I'm going to let you download the syllabus and look that over. Email me questions as needed. I'll be making, again, lots of video content for you as we go along. I think I've got a separate video on who I am and what my life's like. So I just wanted to be this to be just kind of an introductory video. So the real big ticket things right now that you folks have to do, 1, get your access to My Math Lab. 2, start watching the Unit 1 videos, either Anna's versions or mine, or both. And 3, start working on your Unit 1 homework, which is due in 2 weeks, along with a series of quizzes as well. So that's probably enough to get you rolling. I hope you have a great semester, and I want to strongly encourage you to contact me if you need anything, with text being the simplest way. Perfectly happy to take texts. And I also take tests, by the way, texts 7 days a week. Please feel free to contact me if you need to over the weekends. I just consider that part of what I have to do here to help everybody get the help they need in this this COVID type of semester. Okay, so we're gonna have a great semester. Looking forward to working with all of you. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. And anyway, contact me if you need help with homework or class questions, or you just want to talk. All right, have a great day.